I'm just trying to find your undercover vehicles in the squad cars. What's your name and your badge number?
Officer Yar 794.
Officer Yar 794, YAHR, okay?
What did you say? I couldn't hear you.
So looking for undercover cars.
Okay.
What's your name and your badge number?
Officer Sandler 752.
What's your name and your badge number?
Cobra 714.
Cobra, okay. I remember you from last time, no? No? What's your name and your badge number?
We're going to get your name because you're looking in cars.
What's your name and your badge number?
701.
What's your name?
Fugman.
I'm sorry?
Captain Fugman.
Captain Fugman, okay?
You understand looking at vehicles like that is suspicious.
Why is it suspicious?
People entering cars?
I didn't enter a car.
Looking into a car, that's suspicious on a
Why is that suspicious?
See the signs over here?
I'm not parking. No, it's not restricted. It says do not enter, no parking. I'm not parking. I'm walking.
Why are you recording?
This is open to the public, guys.
You're looking inside vehicles.
Okay, so at this moment, I'm going to grab my Constitution form for you guys. I'll let you guys read it.
You're looking in the cars.
Here's a copy of the Constitution for you. Would you like to have one? Would you like to have one? I appreciate it.
So
Would you like to have a copy of one?
Certainly.
This is awesome.
So do you-
Now I need you guys to read the First Amendment.
Yep, I know.
Okay, that's all.
So what he's getting at though
That's
is,
it, and that's all.
what he's getting at though is in the city of Glendale we get a lot of entry to vehicles and stolen vehicles.
That has nothing to do with what I'm doing, and you can't put further crimes on me at this moment. I've done nothing.
I never said I was looking into vehicles.
Well, it doesn't. What happens in the past doesn't make me suspicious for doing what I'm doing. Okay, and what crime is suspicion?
Right,
And what crime is suspicion?
when somebody's going up to vehicles that
What crime is that?
Are you gonna let me answer?
No, I just want the crime. What is it? What crime am I violating by you saying I'm suspicious? What
Right.
crime is that?
All right, by going up to vehicles that don't belong to you,
What crime?
looking into them. All right, that's the steps leading up to
Penal code.
entering a locked vehicle, which is
Penal
a crime.
code. I'm looking for the penal code that I'm in violation of here. You're saying suspicious.
you.
No, you said I'm suspicious. That's not law.
Right.
There's no law that you
But you
can.
understand under the Constitution that you're referring to, right? That if
I have a right to record in public.
if
Yes.
an officer has reasonable suspicion to believe that crime is afoot,
And what crime is
I
afoot?
just told you.
Suspicion is not a crime, sir. I'm asking for a crime.
Entering the locked vehicles is
No,
a crime.
that okay. Did you see me try to enter a vehicle? So then you guys don't attempt to put that on me. No, don't.
We're in the business of
One
preventing
second.
crime as
One
well.
second before you cop-splain. 1 second. Don't cop-splain because I didn't even touch a vehicle, guys. You have cameras. I didn't even touch a vehicle. So don't try to say I'm unlawfully entering any vehicle, okay?
saying that you're unlawfully
So then
entering.
there is no crime being committed, right?
I didn't
So
say
then
you're
therefore
what
you
you're
guys are
doing.
talking to me
What
because
you're doing
Suspicious.
is suspicious.
is suspicion a crime?
Yes.
If an officer has reasonable suspicion,
What
to believe
penal
that
code
crime
is
afoot-
suspicion? No, you have to have suspicion of a crime.
Correct.
What crime?
I told you entry to a locked vehicle.
But you know what you guys see I haven't entered any vehicle, so how could that be in your mind as a crime?
Yeah. So
I mean, this is ridiculous, guys. I just gave you the Constitution. I'm allowed to film in public. I'm in public. I haven't touched a single vehicle. There's no reason for us to even have this conversation.
why not?
Because I'm not doing anything illegal. You guys are here to uphold laws.
Right.
If no
Protect
law
property
is
and
being
lives.
broken, you hold no authority. So you telling me my actions are suspicious, that's just you telling me my actions are suspicious.
Correct.
So prove a crime.
But we're not proving a crime. That's why.
So
we're
then why are we
contact-
talking?
Because we have a duty.
You
to
guys could have allowed me to
investigate
just go
suspicious
ahead and gather
behavior.
my content and go about my business. I didn't do anything. You didn't even have to initiate contact.
Sure.
No,
we
you
have-
didn't have to. No, you
No, we
chose
didn't
to.
have- You're right.
You chose to.
Well, that's
No,
our
it's
job.
not
That's
because
part
no
of our
crime
job.
was being broken. No crime was being committed.
All right, so
You said
hold on.
suspicion.
So
That's
what-
not a crime.
so
No
what-
crime was
hold on.
actually being committed.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
So that's
We've explained ourselves. You've
No
explained
worries.
yourselves.
Suspicion is not a crime. For future references,
but it's
suspicion
it gives
is
us
not a
reason-
crime.
It gives us a reason to come up and speak to
You could come up, if you choose to come up and speak, then that's your choice. But until a crime is actually being committed, you have no authority. The best thing for you guys to have done was to wait and see if I did anything
Right, and
illegal.
we're just having a
Instead of
conversation.
just coming and saying, oh, you're suspicious. No, because you came out and said I was suspicious of a crime. Me just doing a First Amendment protected activity
Have a good day.
is suspicion of a crime. Enjoy the walk of shame, guys. Have a great day. You guys are awesome. You're amazing. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
The principle that suspicion in itself is not a crime or a violation is a fundamental aspect of the legal system and should be respected by all law enforcement. Cops are required to have reasonable, articulable suspicion that a person is involved in a criminal activity before they can stop and detain that individual. This legal standard is designed to safeguard citizens' rights and protect them from baseless intrusions by law enforcement. When officers stop and contact the individual solely on the grounds of being suspicious, without a clear and specific reason to believe that a crime has occurred, is occurring, or is about to occur, it raises significant concerns about potential overreach and violations of the Fourth Amendment rights. Suspicion without concrete evidence or circumstances that support it does not meet the legal threshold for a lawful stop, like the best of both worlds was explaining to these cops. Law enforcement officers must respect the legal process requirement of reasonable articulable suspicion, meaning that they must have specific and justifiable reasons to believe a crime is afoot before stopping an individual. Contacting someone based solely on being suspicious without this legal basis can infringe upon individuals' constitutional rights. Let's continue.
Hey, sir. How you doing?
All right.
What are you doing, sweetie?
I give you two guesses. One of them is not walking on the moon.
Is this your vehicle? No. No? Is there something we can help you with?
I don't remember calling and asking for help.
Okay. All right. He's outside of the port, so we're fine.
Even if I was inside the port, I can do it.
Well, do you have business in the port? You're welcome to come in. Do you have business?
I don't need business as a taxpayer to come into my port. I don't need business to come in there and view my port.
What would you like to view?
If I wanted to go inside, I would go inside.
What would you
But
like
I'm out here.
Okay.
So I don't understand why you asking me those type of questions.
I was just curious. It's not normal for people to come out here in videos.
To who? Who's not normal to who?
I've never
To
seen
photographers?
It. I've never seen
It's
it.
not normal to you.
Normally, yeah, I said I've never seen
Oh,
it.
well, at first you said it's not normal.
Huh?
At first you said it's not
It's
normal.
Not normal. I can only speak for myself.
Okay.
It's
It
not
sounded like you were generalizing.
It's not normal for me to
Okay.
see that.
But it's normal to photographers.
Of course.
Okay.
And the media and so
Did you
on.
call for backup? Because I was taking pictures?
So,
Because I saw you walking back and forth, turn on your body cam. What's your name and your badge number?
Right there, Deputy Mackey.
Which one is it? Is it right there or is it Deputy Mackey?
As you can see, my name is right here. It's Deputy Mackey.
Okay. So, as you can see, my name is right here, Deputy Mackey. Turn on his body cam. I'm just taking pictures of a publicly owned property. That's all. I mean, I don't understand. Is there anything out here you like to see? I mean, you keep looking me up and down. It'd be rude if I look you up and down as a man. You'd think I'm being perverted.
actually, I wouldn't.
I don't know, man.
I really wouldn't.
Y'all got double standards. I'm just a photographer. There's no, you keep doing it. Do it on camera.
I'm looking at
I'm broad daylight, wide open. I have nothing to hide.
So,
You like what you see?
it's not even about that.
You making me feel uncomfortable. You feel like you're undressing me with your eyes right now. That's me too now.
You and I both know that's
Me
not-
too. I don't know. Me too.
It's absolutely,
Every time I turn the camera where you up and down.
absolutely not what that is.
Well,
Absolutely not.
I don't know.
But, you know, we have eyes. I have the right to look. You have the right to video.
You absolutely do.
Okay.
But when you were looking, I didn't come approach you for looking. You guys came and approached me for looking. I didn't approach him when he was looking, but you guys approached me because I was looking.
I just want to make sure.
What part of me look like I'm incapable of screaming for help if I need help?
No, I'm asking. Making inquiries.
Well, I tell you. What's your name, Sergeant?
Wallen. Wallen.
Badge number?
7929.
And I didn't get your badge number, Mac.
520.
Thank you.
Anytime.
That's called the walk of shame. You got cars behind you, man. You got cars behind you. Pull over. You gonna back up in the middle of the road? Hey! He can't back up like that in the middle of the road. That's very dangerous, man. That's crazy. What is... backing up oncoming traffic, Sergeant. Sergeant, this man is backing up during oncoming traffic. It doesn't matter, that's crazy. There's no emergency. It doesn't mean nothing because he has his lights on. There's no emergency. That's only in case of emergencies. If I was to do that, you'll write me a ticket. You guys will write tickets and charge revenue if I was to do that. Obey the traffic laws, man. Because he has his emergency lights on. There's no emergency. Emergency light doesn't give him the right to randomly break the law.
Big Nick sets the tone from the start with a calm, confident explanation of his intentions, simply taking photos of publicly owned property from a public space. His clarity and unwavering stance establish that he knows his rights and isn't about to back down. He skillfully handles the officer's behavior, especially the ironic comments about being checked out. Maintaining a professional tone, he flips the script, pointing out double standards while making it clear he won't be intimidated or distracted from his purpose. When the officers escalate by questioning his motives and even activating emergency lights without cause, Big Nick doesn't falter. His comparison to how a regular citizen would be penalized for similar actions is a powerful reminder that no one is above the law. The situation intensifies when Big Nick notices a deputy following him after the initial interaction. His refusal to be silenced or intimidated shows incredible resolve as he warns the officer that he will continue recording and broadcasting his experiences. What sets this video apart is how Big Nick ties his personal experience to broader societal issues. By referencing statistics about the disproportionate risks faced by black men during interactions with law enforcement, he adds depth and urgency to the narrative. His decision to walk away while continuing to document the situation demonstrates a balance of courage and pragmatism. Major respect to Big Nick for leading by example and inspiring others to do the same. And let's keep going.
Another word.
Hi, U.S. citizens of the U.S.
Do you have reasonable, articulable suspicion that I've committed a crime? Am I being detained? Answer my question, please. Am I being detained? I'm being detained. What's reasonable, articulable suspicion do you have I've committed a crime? Am I being detained?
Yes, sir. For an immigration inspection.
Do you have reasonable, articulable suspicion that I've committed a crime?
Well, no, I'm just doing my immigration inspection.
You cannot detain me unless you have reasonable, articulable suspicion that I've committed a crime.
Well, I'm explaining to you what I'm doing. Let me tell you why.
Have I committed a crime?
I'm determining your citizenship. That's what I'm doing here. Okay?
I have no obligation to answer. You can direct your questions to my attorney.
Okay. Well, do me a favor, keep going in front of you. The reason why I don't
Am I being detained?
I don't want to, yes. For
I'm being
immigration
detained.
inspection, yes.
What is your reasonable, articulable suspicion I've committed a crime?
You're turning me citizenship, sir. That's what it is.
That's not an answer to the question.
Don't pull it right here, please.
I am not well. I'm being detained against my will and illegally.
Okay. Well, our purpose here in this checkpoint is
I know what your purpose
just
is.
to ascertain.
And I'm not answering questions today.
Okay. We have to be fully satisfied that you're a U.S. citizen.
Do you have any reason to suspect that I am not?
No, sir. But you're.
Then I will be going.
You're not free to go. Okay.
Do you have reasonable, articulable suspicion I've committed a crime?
No, sir. But
Then I can go. You see, the laws in the United States say you can only detain me if you have reasonable and articulable suspicion of a crime. Not one of you have articulated one suspect that I am a crime.
Okay, well, I'm glad you're up with your law, but unfortunately, I guess you haven't looked at the immigration law. The Immigration and Naturalization Act number 287 states that we can temporarily, sir, only for a brief moment, stop you legally just so that we can ask you a quick question.
You have.
If you are a U.S. citizen.
You have.
So,
do you have any reason to believe I am not?
I'm asking you that question. Are you a United States citizen?
You aren't a United States citizen. A citizen, as defined by the Black's Law Dictionary, says that a government trades an obligation of protection for a duty of servitude. That's the law. The Supreme Court of the United States has said that law enforcement agents have no obligation to protect you. Therefore, you're not a citizen.
Ask a
You're a
question.
citizen of what?
He has
You're not a
asked
citizen
a
of the United
question.
States. You are a subject.
Of the United States?
You are a subject. You are a subject.
Okay, so the question, that's all right, sir, that's okay. The question is, were you born in this amazing country that is the United States?
I was born on planet Earth.
Okay, planet Earth is on this country,
No, yeah, okay.
right? Okay, but you're still not free to go. Was she born in the same place you were born?
Nope.
Not in the same place, no.
Were you born in the United States?
Do you have reasonable articulable suspicion we've committed a crime?
No, sir, but you must answer my question.
No, I don't.
Are you a United States
I don't have to
citizen?
answer any of your questions without my
Sir,
attorney
listen,
present.
I'm telling you right now, sir, that you are briefly
So,
being detained.
I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
What does briefly mean?
Briefly, it means all we have to do was just get an answer from you.
You know as well
whether
as I
you
do, this
are-
is a drug checkpoint, okay?
There's
You've
no
searched
such
it with a
thing.
dog.
This is an immigration
And
checkpoint.
then why is the dog out there
Because
sniffing
you
for
think-
illegal aliens?
Yes,
do,
sir.
do illegal
Not illegal-
aliens
not
smell
illegal-
different than American
no,
citizens?
not illegal aliens. He's trained to detect concealed humans. So we've determined that you're
There are
way
3
over
humans
your
in this
head
country.
here, okay?
We haven't
But I'm
determined any
assuming
such thing.
You are a United States citizen because you are acting as a person who believes their rights as a United States citizen. And I believe you are a United States citizen. It's unfortunate that you're coming through here without fully understanding the law.
Oh, I understand
And
it
not
thoroughly.
allowing us to do our job.
The only
We have
people that determine
determined
law
that is the person
are 5
that you
Supreme
are,
Court justices.
okay?
Not you, not me.
So you just wasted your time. You are a U.S. citizen, okay?
Thank you.
Continue on your way, and thank you for being an outstanding citizen and helping law enforcement. Thank you.
Refusing to answer questions or show identification at border checkpoints in itself is not a crime. While Border Patrol agents and police officers have different roles and jurisdictions, they share the common duty of upholding the Constitution. It's deeply concerning when Border Patrol agents fail to honor their oath by not respecting the rights of individuals at checkpoints. While Border Patrol agents have certain authorities under federal law, these powers must be exercised within the limits set by the Constitution. Detaining someone without reasonable suspicion of a crime infringes upon fundamental rights guaranteed by the Fourth Amendment. Border Patrol agents operate under the jurisdiction of the U.S. Customs and Border Protection. They have the authority to conduct brief stops and checks within a certain distance of the border, typically within 100 miles. This is intended to secure the nation's borders and prevent illegal activities such as smuggling and unauthorized entry. However, this authority does not override constitutional protections against unreasonable searches and seizures. When a Border Patrol agent allows their ego to dictate their actions, the focus often shifts from upholding the law to asserting authority. As we see, the agent's priority is to do his job. However, he must realize that his #1 duty is to uphold his oath to protect our constitutional rights. This is a great job by Mark to display how to exercise your rights. Let's continue.
Ah, look, the police is here.
Hello.
Officer Young.
How you doing, man?
How are you?
Good.
I don't answer no
My name
questions.
is Officer Jones, Stone Police Department.
All right, Officer Jones, name and
So-
badge number, please.
I just gave you my name.
All right, badge number.
is 510. Okay.
All right.
So, yes, the public lobby, as you said, that's right. Okay. Well,
Mhm.
these people also have their right to be here because it's a public lobby.
No, they do have a right to be here, but there's no expectation of privacy in public. You need to understand that, officer.
But
You need to understand
so
that.
another thing you need to understand is you are disturbing them.
No, I'm
Okay?
not.
You are. You're
No,
making
I'm
them
not.
uncomfortable.
Oh,
Videoing them.
see, here we go with their feelings. Are you a feelings police? Or are you a law enforcement? No, know your
But you have
your
the
place.
statute of disorderly conduct, and they're causing a disturbance to the
That's
general
not
public.
disorderly.
This is a public place.
Okay, well, I tell you what. If you think that that's true, go ahead and arrest me. And when you do, by this evening, I'll have a lawsuit filed against you. Do you understand? Because their feelings do not trump my rights. So you need to know that.
That's a statute of disorderly conduct.
That is not statute of disorderly conduct. I'm not filming no personal information. I'm here to videotape the people here, the public servants.
Hello, my name's Sergeant Brooke Arthur. Okay, so this is the health department. People's private information is protected. They have it posted that there's no video or photography.
Ma'am, let me explain this to
Let
you.
me finish till I
No, let me explain this to you. I am a free citizen. Understand that.
Listen.
Their policy does not trump my First Amendment rights. Do you understand
do not
that?
have rights to people's private health.
I'm not here
information
for
in
their
this
private
facility.
information.
If you want to be in the
They have to
facility,
create
you
that.
can have a seat.
They have to create
You
that.
can have a seat. You may not record here.
Yes, I am.
No, you
I
may
will.
not.
Policy doesn't trump. Sergeant, I'm going to tell you this.
You may not.
If you do something that this is a public area, I'm just going to tell
This
you,
is a public area.
you will
This
be
is
filed in the federal
These people's
lawsuit.
information.
You will be named in a
private
federal
information
lawsuit.
is
Do you understand that?
These
They
people-
have to create that privacy. I don't.
Okay. And
Apparently
by
you don't
videoing
know.
These individuals. while they're
I'm not
carrying
trying to
out their-
videotape them. They're in a public area. Okay, there's no expectation,
receive
no expectation of privacy in public.
Yeah, they're filling out documents.
No expectation of privacy in public, ma'am. All right, Sergeant, so no. So you go do what you got to do, but I'm going to tell you this. You'll be named in a federal litigation, okay?
These
So
people are
go ahead.
protected. It is posted there.
It's a policy, ma'am. Policy does not trump First
Their
Amendment.
building. There's
It's not
people's
their,
private
this
information.
is my building too.
There's people's
This is my building
okay,
too.
and we
Okay,
have
Sergeant, I'm done with
private
you.
healthcare
I'm done with
information.
you.
Here's the only thing that I have, okay?
You need to educate your sergeant, young. Apparently she's uneducated.
If you want to be in the building, that's fine, but you
That's
can't
why she's
report
sergeant.
people's
She
private
is
information.
educated. Here's the thing. Here's where I'm at. Like I said, I'm a peaceable person. You can do what you like, okay?
I know that.
I'm just going to tell you this.
Don't give me directives, young.
I'm
Okay?
just going to tell you this.
Tell me that, but don't give me directives. I know my rights.
Sharing information with you.
All right. What do you got?
The people that are sitting here,
I'm not trying to videotape them.
they feel that you are.
Okay, well, their feelings does not matter, Sergeant. Or young, you should know this. There's no,
I'm going to get there eventually.
I hope so. Maybe she needs to take your place.
No.
Yeah.
I've learned from her.
No
Okay?
expectation of privacy in public. Learn that. You're gonna learn that real quick.
All right. Well,
So I wish to God you would violate.
Asking you to please
See,
not
once
record.
again, I'm respectfully declining, and there's nothing you can do about it.
I just feel like
There's nothing
as
you
a
can do
person
about
to
it,
respect
Sergeant.
people's privacy would be really nice of you.
Okay, but see, once again, here we go. Are you the feelings police? Are you the feelings police?
No, but
Are
you're a
you law
person,
enforcement?
Not a person, and I can still talk to you as a person.
Okay, but you're not going to step on my rights. That's when I get upset. Okay, do you understand that?
And
Do you understand
I
that?
haven't taken your camera. I haven't forced you to leave.
You can't do that. I wish to God you would.
I'm not. I'm talking to you.
I wish to God you would, because that would be a major lawsuit. Please, I've got a lawyer on standby. So please go ahead and do what you're going to do, but you need to be educated. Okay? There's
What
no
I've
expectation of
asked you to do
privacy.
Something that I haven't given you an order to leave. I haven't taken
You can't.
anything from you, and I haven't. But I've just asked you to respect people's privacy.
Okay, it's not like I'm up there on the computers getting their information.
I know that people
Them,
send surveys when they
this
come in
is
for
a
medical
public
services.
lobby. Public
Is there
lobby.
anything that we can help you
Okay,
with?
I can go to your police station. I can film there too.
Absolutely.
Okay, so don't sit here and try to tell me that you're going to do something. I wish to God you would. I wish you would.
I hate that you feel that way.
Because see, this is people. That damn policy right there don't mean.
Okay. Is there
It
anything
doesn't
else we can
mean
help you with
nothing.
today?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
All right. I can lawfully be here too.
Okay,
once again, it is good to meet you.
Officer Young.
I'm sorry
I've
it's
got
under
good
these
praises about you.
circumstances. Sorry it is under these circumstances, but why are you so angry about this?
This is my First Amendment right you're trampling on.
We're not
What do you mean? Why am I angry about this?
We're not trampling.
Your sergeant just did.
No, she's trying to talk to you.
Your sergeant's an idiot.
Well, that's your
Okay?
opinion, sir.
It is my opinion.
And you're entitled to that. But what I was asking is, why are you so mad?
I'm not mad. When you try to
Your
trample,
face
when you because I respect that flag and that oath I took. Okay, I served my country. You took an oath too, didn't you?
Sure did.
To serve, to protect the constitutional rights, right?
Right now, that's you.
Okay. Then why are you here with me having this conversation?
Because they called.
Okay, so I need the call number for this because I'm going to be pulling that. Is your body cam on?
Absolutely.
Is your body cam on?
So you can always call dispatch and get any of the information you want.
How are you going to take an oath to this country and you don't uphold the First Amendment? Do you even know what the 5 things is in the First Amendment?
I have not upheld your amendment today.
I'm not saying that. I'm saying you need to educate your officers, though. Your sergeant.
I have not violated any of your amendments. I'm having a conversation with you.
And I respect you, Young. I do. I hope you got on YouTube because you got good praises on you, brother.
I just want to know why you're so angry.
I'm not angry, but when somebody like that comes in here and tries to trample on my First Amendment rights, I'm going to get angry.
I understand.
Okay? Why do you think there's such a distance between the people and the damn cops? Think about it. Because of dumb like that. Those are the people that don't need to be in office.
Okay, I'm going to disagree with you. I don't see her as that, and
Of course not. Of course not. Come on, you all. At least you're not wearing a damn blue line that people hate. I respect you, Officer Young. I do. You need to know you need to tell your officers who I am because I'm going to be watching everything they do. Traffic stops, I'm here.
Okay.
I'm not going nowhere. And your sergeant can't do nothing.
All right.
Okay? Well, like this lady, I hope you learned something today. They're not going to be able to do nothing. Tried to tell you. So I'll stay here as long as I want. So you guys, no sir, you guys can go. Appreciate it.
A better day.
You too, Young. Appreciate you, buddy. I get more calls. I hope you're here. And if you get calls for something like this, then you'll know it's me. So whoever responds, you better tell them who I am. You have been very respectful to me.
Well, I appreciate that.
You know what I'm saying? But your sergeant needs to learn. You know, she needs to learn. These people right here need to learn. Their policy means nothing. Policy means nothing. I go to the Coffee County Jail. I walk right into the administrative building, security and everything. They don't ask me to shut my camera off. They don't ask me what I'm doing here. None of that. You see what I'm saying?
Be safe.
I will.
Take care of yourself.
You be safe, brother. And tell your sergeant, I respect police. I have nothing against them. But brother, know our rights.
This clip underscores the critical balance between the exercise of First Amendment rights and the responsibilities of law enforcement. Filming in the public building is protected under the First Amendment as freedom of press. Attempts by law enforcement to intimidate an individual with the threat of arrest for disorderly conduct can be problematic, particularly when there's no disorderly behavior occurring. In this scenario, the individuals within the public building may have felt uncomfortable due to being filmed, but their feelings do not override the individual's constitutional rights, as Private Patriot mentioned. It's essential for law enforcement officers to understand and respect the boundaries set by the First Amendment, ensuring that individuals can exercise their rights without interference. The sergeant's lack of understanding of the First Amendment and her attempt to remove the individual from the public building without a valid legal basis is a concern. However, Officer Young demonstrated commendable leadership by stepping in to honor Private Patriot's First Amendment rights and to maintain a respectful and lawful approach to the situation. This highlights the importance of law enforcement officers receiving proper training not only in law enforcement procedures, but also in the protection of constitutional rights. Officers like Young, who prioritize these rights while maintaining order, serves as an example of responsible and respectful policing.
The f out of here, man. Él me está grabando. What we got here? Who you calling? How you doing, man? What's going on?
Nah, don't take this out.
What?
Take it out. You
Take what out?
The video.
You got a mask on. Inside.
Go, come on.
Inside.
Something like that.
Inside, ma'am.
It's so good.
Inside.
¿Tienes un problema?
¿Eh?
¿Tú tienes un problema?
Sí, yo tengo un problema.
¿Cuál es su problema?
Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Come. Ven. He's just sitting here recording.
¿A ti qué te importa?
A mí se me importa.
¿A ti qué te importa? ¿A ti qué te importa? Que no te qué. No, tú estás loco, ¿eh? Haz lo que tú quieras. Haz lo que tú quieras. Que la solté, pa. Haz lo que tú quieras también, man. ¿Tú quieres salsa también? Anybody, nigga. Anybody, man. Anybody can fucking get it, nigga. Tú estás loco, bro. Tú vienes para acá, para este país, aquí, a faltar respeto, cabrón. Primo, no, yo te quiero a ti, tú estás bien, ¿eh? Pero este me dijo marica, bro, y eso, yo no voy con ese flow, ¿oíste? ¿Oíste? Estamos en América, man, aquí está todo el mundo grabando, mira, él me está grabando. Mira para allá, mira hay cámara, mira. Mira para allá, hay cámara. Everybody, all of y'all do whatever y'all love to do. I'm a videographer, I love to do videos. Nobody gonna tell me to stop recording, especially in America, when we can record in public anything we want. They have to learn. They have to learn. Go ahead, do you? Oh, they here, my people. They here.
They always pull up ready to take a man down. Why you call the cops on me?
Harassing. She said harassing. What up, G? You hear this, my bitch? She said harassing.
Do you stay at the shelter?
How you doing, sir?
He doesn't.
I didn't even know this was a shelter, bro. I don't know what this is, bro. What down?
Your camera.
You gotta be insane in your head, bro. Put your body cam on, please. Is it on? Thank you. What's your name and badge number?
Now it's on.
There you go. Name and badge number.
Listen.
Turn the camera on.
Do you go to this?
Name and badge number.
Do you stay here?
Sir, can you identify yourself for the people, please?
Dude.
Oh, he took my camera. He took my camera. That's that right there. That's that. That's that. $3,000, bro. And I just bought it, bro. And I just bought it, bro. I don't consent to searches or seizures. What are you doing, sir? What are you doing, sir? What happened? You stole my camera, brother. Your Honor, he just took my camera, $3,000. Prosecution, he just took my camera. I'm a journalist working on a story. And the officer just came and took my camera. Why? Sir, it's gonna break, bro. Yo, can you at least stop it? EDP? You crazy, bro. Yo, my P, he said EDP. Yo, can I get my camera? Can I get my camera? I'm allowed to record. EDP here for what? That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. What do you think? What do you think? See, they're gonna say that I'm crazy. EDP, my bitch.
That's not the case. You're not crazy.
No. It's all right, it's all right, it's all right. They're gonna get to know who I am.
You're allowed to.
What prison? 75th.
You're allowed to.
My camera, my people, EDP. They're gonna EDP me. Officer Kanikari. Kanikari 29773. Damn, boy, you broke my shit. You're breaking my shit.
To be honest with you, you're causing a scene here.
I'm not causing a scene. You don't even know what happened, bro. They were trying to steal my camera, bro. I'm a journalist. I'm a blogger. You know who I am, don't you? You know who I am? That's crazy, bro. Yo, EDP, my bitch. Yeah. Who? Don't mean some real.
No, they don't.
They know nothing about it. It's recorded. Everything's recorded. So you don't know what was going on. You came late. You came late.
No, we have cameras. They just came. They're not even from here.